Hello everyone, welcome back to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. In this video, we will be pursuing the MCQs of jurisprudence. This is the second video of the series. If you want to watch other videos also, please find a link in the description section and also subscribe us. Now let's get started from question number 26. According to Main, which one of the following is the first social organization? Option A, Commonwealth. Option B, Pater Familia. Option C, State. And option D, none of these. Here correct answer is option B, that is Pater Familia is the first organization according to Mayan. Question number 27. Which one of the following statement is related to Salmond? Option A, jurisprudence is lawyer's perspective. Option B, jurisprudence is the formal science of positive law. Option C, jurisprudence is science of the first principle of civil law. And option D, jurisprudence is the scientific synthesis of all principles of law. Here in this question, correct answer is option C, that is jurisprudence is the science of the first principle of civil law. Is the statement related to Salmond. Question number 28. According to Austin, sanction is option A, the permission to do an act. Option B, the evil consequence of disobeying the command of the sovereign. Option C, a right granted by law. Option D, a power to inflict punishment. Here in question number 28, correct answer is option B, that is the evil consequence of disobeying the command of the sovereign is sanction. Question number 29. The expression law in relation to jurisprudence means option A, law in its abstract sense only. Option B, positive law only. Option C, fundamental legal principles. And option D, theories of punishment. In question number 29, correct answer is option C, that is fundamental legal principles. Question number 30. Austin's theory of law can be found in his work titled Province of Jurisprudence Determined, through which he meant to convey the idea that option A, the subject matter of jurisprudence was large till then. Option B, the applicability of laws differed from province to province. Option C, the subject matter of divine laws etc. do not fall within the purview of the jurisprudence. And option D, the subject matter of divine law etc. falls within the purview of jurisprudence. In question number 30, correct answer is option C, that is the subject matter of divine laws etc. do not fall within the purview of jurisprudence. Question number 31. Jurisprudence as a separate branch of discipline was started by option A, Hindu scholars. Option B, Christian community. Option C, Romans. And option D, Jews. Here in question number 31, correct answer is option C, that is Romans. Jurisprudence as a separate branch of discipline was started by Romans. Question number 32. A comparative method of study in law was introduced by option A, Savigny. Option B, Mayan. Option C, Hart. And option D, Kelsen. Here in question number 32, correct answer is option B, that is Mayan. A comparative method of study in law was introduced by Mayan. Question number 33. Social interest in individual life does not involve option A, self-assertion. Option B, general health. Option C, opportunity. And option D, conditions of life. Here correct answer is option A, that is self-assertion. Question number 34. Analytical, historical, ethical jurisprudence are three different parts of jurisprudence according to option A, Salmond. Option B, Iringer. Option C, H.L. Hart. And option D, Immanuel Kant. Here in question number 34, correct answer is option A, that is Salmond. Question number 35. Who among the following is considered as the founder of the science of sociology? Option A, Iringer. Option B, Auguste Comte. Option C, Girk. Option C, Herbert Spencer. Here in question number 35, correct answer is option B, that is Auguste Comte. Question number 36. Who prefers to call Austin's analytical school as imperative school? Option A, Peyton. Option C, Holland. Option C, Salmond. And option D, C.K. Allen. In question number 36, correct answer is option D, that is C.K. Allen. C.K. Allen prefers to call Austin's analytical school as imperative school. Question number 37. Which one of the following has divided justice in two parts, distributive justice and corrective justice? Option A, Debon. Option B, Aristotle. Option C, Plato. Option D, Aquinas. Here in question number 37, correct answer is option B, that is Aristotle. Question number 38. The state is the synthesis of family and civil society. It is the unity of the universal principle of family and a particular principle of civil society. The above philosophy is of option A, Hegel. Option B, Roscoe. Option C, Austin. And option D, Savigny. Here correct answer is option A, that is Hegel. Question number 39. Name the jurist who is called as Darwinian before Darwin and sociologist before sociologist. Option A, Kelsen. Option B, Savigny. Option C, Pound. And option D, Gray. Here in question number 39, correct answer is option B, that is Savigny. Question number 40. Who said that law is a normative science? Option A, Savigny, option B, Kelsen, option C, Salvin, and option D, Bentham. In question number 40, correct answer is option B, that is Kelsen. Kelsen said that the law is a normative science. Question number 41. Law grows with the nation, increases with it, and dies with its dissolution and its characteristics of it. It is said by option A, Salvin, option B, Savigny, option C, Henry, and option D, Bucklet. Question number 41 is correct answer is option B, that is Savigny. Question number 42. Law is a jealous mistress. This often quoted phrase is attributed to Francis Bacon, Dryden, Joseph Story, Joseph Selden. Here, question number 42 correct answer is option C, that is Joseph Story. Question number 43. The only right which any man can possess is the right always to do his duty. Says question number 43 correct answer is option D, that is 𝐷𝐿𝐼. Question number 44. Equity had come not to destroy the law but fulfill it. Who said this? Maitland, Potter, Salmon, Snell. In question number 44, correct answer is option A, that is Maitland. Maitland has said that equity had come not to destroy the law but to fulfill it. Question number 45. Legal order is a pyramid of norms is the statement of option A, Austin, option B, Kelsen, option C, Salmon, and option D, Fuller. Here in question number 45, correct answer is option B, that is Kelsen. Question number 46. Law should continue to support the minimum morality was pleaded by option A, Lord Devlin, option B, Hart, option C, Lon Fuller, and option D, Dworkin. Here in question number 46, correct answer is option A, that is Lord Devlin. Question number 47. Natural law with variable content means in the realization of justice, the specific content of a rule of a positive law will vary from place to place and from time to time. This theory has been propounded by Rudolf Stamler, Joseph Kohler, David Hume, and Hugo Grotius. Here, correct answer is option A, that is Rudolf Stamler. Question number 48. Who defined law as the decyclized command? Option A, Kelsen, option B, Bentham, option C, Austin, and option D, Salmon. Here, correct answer is option A, that is Kelsen. Question number 49. Which one of the following jurists emphasized that we cannot understand that a thing is unless we study what it does? Option A, Austin, option B, Pound, and option C, Kelsen, and option D, Salmon. Here, correct answer is option B, that is Pound. Question number 50. Nature has placed men under the empire of pleasure and pain. It has been said by Bentham, Austin, Pound, Hobbes. Here, correct answer is option A, that is Bentham. Nature has placed men under the empire of pleasure and pain. It has been said by Bentham. So here we will end this video, and to watch further videos related to jurisprudence, please subscribe us, and we will be making further questions of jurisprudence also. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe.